I'm Chris Rose. I'm an account manager for Simply NUC, and I'm based in Northern Ireland, covering the UK. Here at Simply NUC, we sell mini PCs to every endpoint in the world. So we deal from Celeron all the way up to i9 for embedded use, home use, computer use, any area that a computer is needed. We have a form factor that will suit you. We have mini PCs that suit all sorts of platforms. So we can do digital signage where people need 1, 2, or 3, up to 6 video walls. We work with companies who need industrial-based PCs. We do high-end gaming devices that take external graphics cards, mini PCs that will do a small home office. We work with companies who need a large fleet of PCs that are running an office environment. So we have something for everyone. Relationship is key with a customer. We like to talk to them to see what they need, work out a solution that best suits them. We're here at ISE in Barcelona. This is the first year we've had a booth here. It's really great to connect with our customers and potentially new customers around the globe. We've grown rapidly over the last 4 to 6 years. We're now running as Intel's #1 reseller. We have a number of large companies that we work for and have repeat business because we give a great service. Feedback from customers is paramount. If they want something or if they give us feedback and it's negative, we'll work on it to improve it. If it's good feedback, we'll take that and try and improve that as well, and then use that good feedback to roll out to other customers, because success breeds success. If we do something well, it's good to let other people know. If we do something bad, we'll look at it, we'll repair it, we'll improve. Simply NUC started in the US 8 years ago. 4 years ago, we opened our UK office, and 2 years ago, we opened up our EMEA office. So we are growing globally. Year 1 turnover for the UK 4 years ago was 1 million. This year, as a global company, we're projected to make 70 million, which I think is a fantastic growth for a small company who's getting bigger and bigger. Simply NUC are a company who talk to people. Come talk to us, and we can work with you on your solution and hopefully have a fantastic success.